Good morning. Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo te llamas? Okay. Oh, cuyo. Today we're gonna review our van. Our van's name is Torazi. Our van is 2017 Ford Transit 250 high roof extended version. 3.5 liters gasoline engine, EcoBoost. EcoBoost seems to be the most popular engine.
Twin turbo engine, 3.5 liter.
So it can be really powerful.
Yeah, it's actually really powerful, but I drive it like a grandma. I drive it really slow all the time. When you want to pass, it goes for sure.
So once we went to one of the canyons, we descend 1,800 meters, and when we come up, alarm went off. Transmission service required. Power reduced to lower engine temperature. Engine got heat up.
Yeah, and I think probably the transmission as well. But yeah, the road was so steep.
Ended up getting hot, and the team manager was so bummed. This guy Marcus was just.
So the coolant was still okay, but actually probably the turbos or something were getting really hot.
Yeah.
Because you're going up a really steep hill really slowly, so there's no air coming past the engine. So it got quite hot. So that's the only kind of maybe a little bit surprising thing that happened to the engine, but it went into low power mode and tried to protect itself so we didn't hurt it.
So some people got same issue, right?
Yeah, so after that happened, I Googled it, and yeah, people just going up big hills on the highway or whatever, the engine's getting too hot and it's going low power.
And it was just like hot weather as well. No?
Yeah, over 100 Fahrenheit. It's apparently people are having that problem. So it might depend on how hard you're driving it, how much you're pulling, or how much is in the van. So yeah.
Yeah. Otherwise, it's quite nice, huh? It's big, but we can still go in the city and small town like
Yeah.
Pilas and.
So it's definitely a big van.
Big enough Eric to stand inside the van comfortably. So there's still space, 15 centimeters. We have bikes under the bed. Oh, sexy leg, huh? Hey, he can sit on the bed still.
A little bit slouch, but yeah, it's not bad.
And also, this is a queen size bed. But still, we can have a huge fridge, a sink, 2-burner stove, and even cutting space. If you put swivel seats, you can save more space. And we can work in the van. This is a perfect size for us. But our van has a lot of overhang, so sometimes it's almost touching the ground. And sometimes, oops, it touched the ground. But airbag, install the airbag. That would help you a lot. So how's the mileage?
Pretty decent, actually. Actually, in Mexico, it seems even better. I don't know if it's because they don't have ethanol in the gas here, but we're getting 20 miles a gallon, driving around 90, 100 kilometers an hour. So it's pretty good. In the States, you drive a little faster. We've been getting about 18, 19 miles a gallon on the highway. Mixed is probably about, if you drive a lot in the city, it's probably about 15. Yeah, it's not bad.
Just drive like grandpa.
Yep. Yeah, I drive really slow.
So our van has a lot of option accessories like trailer tow package, automatic headlights, Sync 3 with navigation, reverse park 8, but the back camera helps a lot.
Yeah, the reverse cam is awesome.
Yeah.
It's the first car I've ever had with a reverse cam.
Yeah.
It's awesome. It's actually easier to back up than our Honda Element because the Honda Element doesn't have a reverse cam.
And it's manual. It's terrible.
You just have to learn.
We also have heated seats, but well, it still works though. All-way windows and 2 fold-out windows.
So one issue we had is that in the back of the van there's 2 fold-out windows. They're both encased in these window frames, and these plastic window frames on both sides cracked with less than 1,000 kilometers on the vehicle. And unfortunately, they denied us warranty on this because they stated that we had already installed a bed platform in there, and then they said they could see impact or scratching in photos from the bed platform, which was completely untrue.
Yeah, it's so weird. They just check the photo and just, make the decision.
Yeah, it made me really angry actually, because to replace those windows was going to be like $1,800, and basically the van was brand new and it was broken already. We ended up just deciding not to fix it and hoping they wouldn't leak, but that was really, really annoying. And apparently it's a fairly common issue because if you look online, other people have the same problems.
Yeah.
So now I don't really trust Ford warranty at all. And like, I have no reason to buy extended warranty anymore because they already denied the very, very first claim. So yeah, I would not recommend buying an extended warranty if you're buying a Ford Transit.
Sounds like we are talking, accusing Ford now, huh?
Yeah, Ford fucked us.
So next time, if you need to buy a van again, do you buy Ford again?
Well, I'd try to get one without the flip out windows. Is there any other problems?
No, but I realized that our van is not phone friendly.
Phone friendly, oh yeah. Actually, yeah, there's these stupid pockets in the doors, and Yuka put her phone in there.
今日はトラジーに携帯を食べられました。じゃじゃーん。このポケット見てください。これまさしくこれフォンを入れるためのポケットっぽくないですか？こう閉めるとですね、こう潰されるわけですよ。これは何のためのポケットなんですかね。
It's basically the phone destroyer because if you close the door, it kills your phone.
It's perfect size and the perfect shape for the phone.
Yeah, they're idiots. Like, who the hell designed that?
So,
yeah, actually, if you look online, Yuka's not the only one who smashed their phone in that little pocket.
So many people.
It's like, what were they thinking? Like,
I don't know.
Like, what is that stupid thing for?
Oh, I saw some video, like for the video, and then in the video, the people put their wallet in there.
Yeah. So if you want to get your wallet, like at a toll booth or something, you have to open the door to get it out. Come on.
Oh, yeah. And there's just so many cup holders and other stuff, but actually there's no place to put your phone.
Yeah. Yeah, it's we're used to Japanese vehicles. Apparently American vehicles, if you press the research button while it's already in defrost mode, the light doesn't turn on. Seems like it's broken. It's not working because the light doesn't turn on. So that took a bit of Googling. But yeah, so far it's been a good van.
We still love Torazi, and we're gonna go for adventure with him. Hopefully one day we can cross the ocean with Torazi. We can have fun together.
Anyways, thanks for watching Yuka's video. Fangirl Yuka.
Thank you to Erica Pe for helping me, because my English is not good. I'm not really good talker, but with him, it's better.
Okay.